chill and she reckless. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stream. Tuesday, 25th of April, already almost the end of the month. Guys, quickly, I want to go into a long of gold right now. In a gold long at this particular moment. I'm going to go over it in a second here. All right, hope you guys are all doing well. I've been working very, very hard today. Thank you guys for everyone that was yesterday at our crypto stream as well. A beautiful stream. Hope you guys saw the perfect explanation of an execution of how you can take a position right here. We're going to keep building out this department as well. And let's get it to 500 likes today already as soon as possible right now. And then we can do a giveaway beautifully. I'm excited for that. You help the channel out and we are rewarding you as well here. At the end of the week, we're going to do something very, very amazing. Very, very nice. I'm looking to do a new kind of quiz with you guys here. I'm very excited to go for that. If you guys want to join me on that, you know, more information will follow in Discord. So join our Discord. We're going to release more information about our quiz. It's going to be live on stream, probably even Thursday or Friday after our trades and so on and so on here. Okay. Looking forward to today's session here. Looking for a long on gold right now, guys. Long on gold right now. Okay. Just want to clarify that I am in a long trade at the moment here. We're going to go over it right now at the moment as well. Besides that, we're going to look for more optimal solutions, more optimal trade setups, and so on and so on. We're going to do a bunch of stuff today. I'm very, very excited to help you guys out with trading setups, do some live trading and make some money. Make some money. Let's go. Let me see what we have in the building so we can start. And then we're going to get it going. Absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for being here, being part of the family, being part of our beautiful community right here. Let's smash this likes button. And let's step up our game a little bit right now. Let's go. We have my man Thomas in the building. Yes, sir. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Naka Shipley says, let's go. Joshua says, AU guys. Jan says, Joe. Prime FX says, yo, family. Damon Smet says, yo, yo. Darren Lee says, gold TP. Given says, hi all. Caesar Alves says, good morning. Joey Benter says, Brick Mohammed says, first time in your stream. Welcome, my man. Welcome, welcome. That's a good sign. Welcome. Welcome as a subscriber. Absolutely amazing that you are here. We're going to take some trades today. Quinton, my man. Joy Banter. Guraf. The GT Wardle. Yes, sir. Smash it like. Absolutely. Looking forward to that. Let's go. Glacia. What's happening, Glacia? Hope you're doing well. Steven, Willen, and Tolgan. Yes, guys. Okay, let's get it going. Let's not waste enough more time here. Let's get into our chart right now. We are in a gold long at the moment right now here, guys. We just entered a gold position. It literally just went up as well here. This is what we're looking for right now. This is already a secure position right here, right now. For gold, I think gold has a lot more potential today, guys, to potentially these highs right there, all right? Back at this particular range, we saw that consolidation. We had that expansion, and now we're retesting that particular zone right here. I think that this is definitely a possibility to do so. If we can come back down, we maybe look for re-entry and we can look for a continuation to the upside for gold right here. I think there is definitely a possibility. Other trades that I'm currently looking at today are the EUR/USD, and also keep in mind that the Japanese yen basket is also coming to a very crucial zone. I want the yen to come back up a little bit more towards that level so we can actually start shorting you know, or longing like GJ from there. Okay, I'm looking at a GJ long. At the moment, the yen is up in that zone here. This is that high that we need to get to. I really want to go there because I think that we would really see some amazing opportunities today in regards to, you know, the Japanese yen basket and the trade setups related to the yen as well here. So yeah, that's on the 15-minute time frame. On the lower time frame, we have created a lower low. We are trying to show a little bit more weakness here. So if we are getting rejected right now at this particular zone here, yeah, we might be able to look at a couple of other setups like EJ, like GJ, and so on and so on. At the same time right now, what do we see here? We're seeing that GU is getting rejected, but also the dollar is doing the same thing at the moment here. So I do believe that there is a big chance that we can actually look for a reversal here for GU as well. The dollar coming down in an area of supply here. That's the main reason why gold is now tanking to the upside right there. Okay, that's the main reason why gold is now making that move to the upside right here. And this is also the reason why, you know, I think GU right now will in the short term potentially can hold here. But GU at the moment is actually holding, you know, very weak. It's showing a lot of weakness as well. So if you look at, for example, the euro against US dollar, it's showing a little bit more strength and a little bit more clear area of demand where we're now actually bouncing from on the 10-minute zone. If you look on the 1 minute, we have this area here. You know, I'm looking to see potentially if we can look for longs as well in that section for euro, US dollar, these type of pairs here, especially because the dollar is now coming down, breaking that low here. And I think this can provide us more weakness. So when let's say we come back into that level, we might be looking at a beautiful euro USD long the moment we are coming into that zone right here. Somewhat in that zone for the dollar coming and tapping into that range. Then the yen coming up right now. For the euro, yeah, the yen pairs we have to wait a little bit longer. For the euro though, I think we have some potential here. I think we can actually look for potential longs here in the very, very short term. So a lot of interesting setups right now. Gold right now long was actually a no-brainer. The reason why, because we tapped into that zone, that last point of this area of demand, the lowest point here. You guys can see this particular candle, which we discussed yesterday on stream. Actually, for the people that were not there, we had a cryptocurrency stream. We're gonna do this every Friday right now. This is what we're gonna do in the next coming weeks. Friday is like the main crypto day because on a Sunday, Saturday just didn't work out. There was not enough volume in the market. All right. But we talked about candle structures, and these are by far my favorite candles to look at. Okay, these hammers are super good areas of demand in my opinion, from my experience. And inverted hammers are obviously more areas of supply, also working very, very well. So we saw that bounce there from that low, and at that moment we saw only one thing happening here, and that was that the dollar roundabout tapped into that zone. Also at that particular moment, at that particular high right there. Okay, that's the main reason why we are looking at the dollar coming and tapping into that area of actually at that rejection point right here, right at this particular level. If you look on a 5 minute, we tapped into the zone, we saw that rejection. So it was kind of like, okay, dollar reached an area of supply, gold came into an area of demand, and it bounced each other off. Somewhat in that level. We saw also that gold then was tempted to break that high. And I knew because the dollar already broke that low that the gold will just break it. And that's why I entered slightly earlier on that level. And I think that was the main reason for the entry right here. You know, I'm going to take a little bit of profit right now already. And I'll do this purposefully because I think it's important to take some profits already right now. At this particular moment. So boom, around, $200 roughly. In that moment. Oh wait, I think, okay, yeah, around $200 right here, taken out right now, just because we're reaching that first area of supply, and I don't want to get stopped out in a retracement right here, coming back towards this range, getting rejected, coming down, and then wick me out again, coming down to zero. Then I'd rather come down and re-enter, or like look for a second entry and then continue with journey to the upside here. So, which I probably will. If we come down here, I will probably look for re-entry for gold as well here. Okay, bouncing from this high and then continuation to the upside. So if that happens, we will take together another trade live. Obviously, a long position right there for gold. Just to be sure, I want to take some profits off the table right now. It's always good to take some profit. Why not? And then continue with journey to the upside right now. Securing ourselves and then maybe re-enter later on. Okay, so yes, keep a close eye on it. I'm looking forward to that. You guys are absolutely amazing. No Bitcoin today. No, today is a Forex day here. Okay, just to give you guys an understanding of who we are, because we have some new people on our channel also in regards to crypto and stuff. And the main thing that I want to share with you guys is, if you are new and you come new to my channel, we are originally like Forex traders, and we trade crypto either during the weekend or on a Friday, sometimes on a Monday, and we switch it up a little bit more. The more that crypto is booming, and the more Bitcoin is going to do in the future, and the more volume will come into the market, the more I will potentially transition, as my initial roots came from crypto. Okay, but we make a tremendous amount of money also in Forex, live also. So yeah, we're continuing that journey as well. Why is he trading on a new account? Isn't he using Oanda? Oanda, again, changed servers. So they stopped working on TradingView for the European citizens right there. So if that's the case, I cannot take a trade live on stream for you guys anymore with Oanda. Okay, so I needed a new broker. That's the main reason He also says, I'm at 97k on a 100k challenge. Should I lower the risk to get back to 100k? Yes. New York stock futures points to market down at open. Okay. Harley says, King, you're the king, my man. Any idea about structure in gold? Well, we have to break above this high right now. That's the reason why I took some profits off the tables here. Because of this range, that consolidation. I don't want to get rejected, come back down to our entry again, and then, you know, get stopped out and then continue with the journey up. So we took some profits here. And now we're going to look for continuation up. But if we break this, very bullish momentum. Very bullish here for gold. Okay. Lorenzo, for how long have you been trading overall? I've been trading for around some years now. 6.5 years. And the last 3 years, yeah. All in. All in. The years before that was kind of like up and down. You know, doing my thing here and there. But no, the last 3 years were really serious trading every single day. Yeah, a lot can happen in 3 years. Let me tell you that. A lot can happen in 3 years. US dollar, Japanese yen, sell. Okay. Let's have a look here. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. We are at 128 likes. Our giveaway will be at 500 likes here. Which can happen very quickly, man. With some help from you guys as well. We can get that so fast. And this weekend, not this weekend, sorry, Thursday, we're gonna do a live quiz again. Who remembers at the beginning of the stream, or the beginning of my trading and streaming journey, we did these live quizzes. Remember? We're gonna do this again. I'm excited for that. It's gonna be amazing. Lorenzo, have you ever tried C-Trader? I've tried it before, yeah. Yeah. But I like TradingView the most now. And I changed it up because of you guys. I actually changed it up because of you guys. Because before that, I was just trading on MT4 all the time. I'm still trading on MT4. But gold right now is definitely the... TradingView is now actually my favorite. It's just... You guys did it. You guys did it. Okay, let's go to the dollar. Let's see what the dollar is doing here. So yeah, if we want to see that breakthrough of the dollar here, we want to get that pullback, which I want to see here. Because we have been breaking the low. And that low that broke and I put in that high especially. Okay, that's what we're talking about here. So we had to change character to the downside. I want to see coming back towards that candle. What kind of candle is this? Again, my favorite candle. Okay, it's kind of like a lot of selling pressure, a small body. That's the candle structure I'm looking for. Coming up, rejection from there. And that's the moment when we can enter pairs like maybe EURUSD, GU, long. And maybe dollar yen, short. Or dollar Canadian dollar. Let me see what we have. Let's see what else we have here. Dollar Canadian dollar. Oh, we broke through that initial zone. Okay, we're reaching this new range. All right. Okay, reaching a 2-hour area of supply. Yeah, we need to break significant lows though. It's gonna take some time here. Okay, for the dollar Canadian dollar to break these lows in my opinion. So let's just put an alert there. That's one. Dollar yen. Looking way weaker. 5-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame. Rejection point. No. 1 minute. Yes, rejection point right here. Okay. I think the EURUSD is better. I think the EURUSD is better. At the moment, your gold is still going up steadily at the moment. EURUSD. Let's see how we react at this zone, first of all. Current trade. Let me put in all the scores, by the way. Let me fix this real quick. Okay. EURUSD showing some potential. The combination of the EURUSD and the dollar here. We're gonna keep a close eye on it. Gold will probably come down a little bit here. We're in that range right now. So be aware of that. We can look for re-entries for gold as well. We have this zone. Beautiful entry though. We have a beautiful entry. Because our entry is right under that zone. But if we come back down, we tap into that zone, we might look for a second entry right here. For gold. Yeah, that's a good idea. So that could be interesting. Dollar, EURUSD and gold right there. Okay. John says, Lorenzo joined the V2. Does that qualify for the crypto school? Yes, sir. Absolutely. Either, you know, you sign up through one of our links on Bybit or Bitcoin and you post $100 on it, or you join the V2, which is gonna be soon the V3 as well, guys. We're gonna launch the V3. I'm gonna tell you later what it's gonna be included. So this is really your last chance to, till the 1st of May. Last chance to join the V2. And then we launch the V3 mid-May. You know, it's like your new iPhone. Everyone wants it, but it's actually going to be much better, much more expanded. You want to definitely join the V2 right now because it will save you a lot of effort, a lot of money. In case you want to worry, in case you want to know what the V2 is, then go to Discord and you'll find some. If the market comes down, re-entry zone, then we do have to enter. Yeah, I'll potentially re-enter as well. So I will actually place another entry right here. So I'm actually trying to look. I have an entry right there. I'll probably place another entry like somewhat here for gold right now. A second entry at least. If the dollar decides to move up, come into that zone, get rejected, create a double top and get rejected from there. There is a good negative correlation between gold and the dollar right now. So I do like that. How much is the subscription for the V2 a month? It's a lifetime for now. So that's why. Love Lorenzo's YouTube shorts too. His editor is cranking out some fun videos for sure. Yes, we got an amazing team. I can't thank them enough. Absolutely. Let's go. Gold to 2000, I think it's possible, yeah. I think it's possible. I think that we can still look for a retracement and a continuation here. It all depends on the dollar. You see that the dollar is now moving down and you see that the correlation with the gold is finally very good. And this is what I look for. If the dollar is not really nicely correlated with gold, you never see me trading gold that much on stream. But once it is, it's like almost like a 80% chance that we succeed in these trades here. So that's why the correlations are so important for me personally, and especially when the correlation with the dollar is good. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, that's one. Like the euro is another one. Okay, keep a close eye on the euro as well. So we have gold, we have the euro. And then we have the other setups, of course. We have like, you know, the yen pairs, but the yen right now needs to wait a little bit in my opinion. Yeah, throw me some other charts right now. Let's go over it real quick. We all waiting for gold here, but yeah. Let's see. Okay, GJ is one. A lot of you guys said GJ. Okay, let's see. Let's see why. Yeah, rejection here. Okay. Yeah, so the end basket is going up right now still. Obviously, so we know that GJ is just dropping, coming down here. Coming down to fill up that imbalance right there. Let's get into the yen basket real quick right now. Okay, we broke out of that zone. Fantastic. 30 minutes. We're coming now towards that 50-minute zone. This is the zone where we need to look out for. That's like that final zone that I want the yen to go to. Yeah, I will not take any trades before the yen is right here. So the yen basket needs to be right there at 7,928. Okay, that's the moment when we look for any longs here. If we see that rejection point, because this is that final high of the yen here. Until the moment we can come down here. Going short right now on GJ, in my opinion, doesn't make that much sense either. Because I think you know why. I think you know why. You know, somewhat entering in the middle of a range. I don't see the upside of that. Okay, I think that the yen can push up, and I think GJ can come down a little bit more. But I rather wait for GJ to reach these levels, that area of consolidation, to see how we react from there and continue our journey. And then, yeah, who knows what happens then? Okay, because let's say we go short right now and we tap into this zone a couple minutes later, and we decide to turn around here. Then that's not the right moment to go short, right? Then we need to be, yeah, we can turn around and that type of stuff here. So until we see that that rejection, I'll wait with GJ a little bit here. With what you have taught me in V2, I find gold one of the easiest pairs to trade. Okay, that's great to hear. That's great to hear. Yeah, everyone has their own pairs and their own setups. So that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Can you look at dollar Swiss? Okay, we can. We can definitely do that. Let's do that here. Okay, the dollar. So first of all, what do we do first? Okay, we know what the dollar is doing. Okay, we know that the dollar can come up a little bit and becomes, you know, from there relatively weak. We know that the Swiss franc has been actually pushing very strongly up right now and actually create a new high. So the yen, the Swiss franc is actually performing very strong today. That's one of the reasons, I guess, why the dollar Swiss right now is actually obviously coming down, and I think that continuation can still occur. I think it's still possible here to see continuation to the downside. We've seen that rejection here. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. We're going to that. Yeah, let's go to the 2-minute. Yeah, we're seeing that rejection there. Imbalance there. I think that we can. Well, I would not be surprised if we go up here and I get rejected right there at the moment to take out. And then I need to see where the London low is. If we have already manipulated the London low, I think we have. Let me see real quick. Oh, we have not. Yeah. So potentially coming for the London lows. yeah, definitely see that happening. And then we have some news coming, guys. Very important news coming. The consumer confidence of April is important. And the new home sales coming in like 1 hour from now. Plus, of course, we have the New York Stock Exchange open as well. We could turn around from there. So at that moment with gold, we're going to take some serious profits. And we might be flipping here. But yeah, until that moment, let's see if we can just get rejected. If we can look for some sort of pullback. And, you know, then continue with journey to the downside. I think that that's definitely a possibility for the dollar against the Swiss franc here. Definitely a possibility. Golden week, multiple Japanese holidays, so less volume. So far, it's looking very good. What correlation do you use to trade the US30 and the Nasdaq? We use the VIX. The volatility index. Which is on the 5-minute right now, actually moving down, coming up, moving down a little bit. We saw that initial rejection there. Probably pushing overall the indices up a little bit, but overall we came down. Okay, we came down here, but we starting to range right now. Tapped into the zone. Starting to build a lot of liquidity here to the upside. Starting to build a serious trend to the upside right there. We have this step. We tapped into the zone right now. I do not see direct trade set up here with the Nasdaq at the moment. Maybe US30 is different. Yeah, it's different. %62% has not been touched yet. Let's see what the volatility index is doing again. Just to confirm, the Japanese yen is almost there, guys. So keep a very close eye on the yen right now. We are almost there. We are literally almost there. Building a lot of liquidity here. 10-minute chart. I would like to see the VIX coming up here. I would like to see the VIX coming up. The US30 coming down from that moment, from this zone there. That's what I would love to see right here. Dollar is coming up, is not there yet. It's not at that zone yet, so that means gold is probably, yeah, it's getting, it's holding a little bit. It's holding very strong again. Very strong. Very surprised here. Dollar is almost there, guys. Dollar is almost there. The moment the dollar is there, the moment the yen is there, you have to pay very close attention to both indices right here. What is your take on dollar index? Bearish for now. I'm bearish here. Of course, we have created a lower low. We have got rejected. We created. We're tapping into a new era of supply soon. So I'm for now bearish at the moment. But at the same time, we could flip later on. So in an hour from now or like 30 minutes from now. It is definitely, it's definitely a possibility here. So yeah, I'm gonna take my profits very soon, and then like in like 20 minutes, and then I'm out here for this trade. Lorenzo, when you say the Bitcoin dominance is going down, do you mean at the current price? Do you mean it's still up, but after supply it will go down? So the Bitcoin dominance is more or less a percentage, right? It's not in, you don't calculate it in price, you calculate it in a percentage. It's the total market cap divided by the Bitcoin market cap. And it's just to understand if Bitcoin is Bitcoin creates more dominance, taking over the market cap more, which has an effect on other, altcoins and stuff. So yeah. Okay, euro is breaking that zone. Why? Because the dollar is obviously not in that zone yet. Let's first see how the dollar reacts in that zone right here. And the yen is there as well. So we're coming close towards some interesting setups very, very shortly. That's one chart. The other one is the... what about GU? Let me see GU real quick. GU is weaker. Much weaker than the euro. Australian dollar. Australian dollar is interesting, shows some potential here. Let me put on both charts right now. Imagine that one breaking, coming down, getting rejected, followed by the Australian dollar here making a move to the upside. The other one is the euro, which is right now coming, reacting a little bit as well. I keep a close eye on the euro as well. Let me put in the euro. The euro is also reacting very good. Okay, just put this one for now. 1 minute time frame. Breaking this high. Keep a close eye on the euro as well, guys. The PMI numbers be a little bit high with CPI tomorrow. I think the dollar will be flipping bullish. It could happen, but if it happens, it will happen in an hour from now. We might see it happening with the New York Stock Exchange. But let's find out from there here. Waiting for a higher high is what we're looking for. I'm actually very surprised by how strong gold is holding right now at the moment. While we are getting right now into that zone. So let me see what we can do here. So if the dollar comes down here and gets rejected, we need to look for something appealing, something interesting there. For the mid range, let me draw the Fibonacci here. Yeah, I still like that zone. I still like that zone a lot. If we break the internal low, I'm gonna take some profits again for the second time. Oh, dollar is at the 10-minute zone right now, getting rejected already. Dollar is not looking strong here. That means that potentially EURUSD will break out of that high right there internally. That combination is pretty solid. And also the Australian dollar here is also looking okay, looking decent. We manipulated the lows, make a move to the upside, coming back down, retracing, and now continue its journey to the upside. It's definitely possible that we're going to see something like this playing out as well here. Euro right now is starting to look better. We're starting to look to break this high. If we break the low, we're going to break the high and we can look for longs for Euro USD. And if gold breaks it low, I'm going to put an alert. Gonna sell some more of gold. That rejection on the dollar is the perfect Sunday open. That's super important to know. But we need to see the rejection and we need to see lower low. And we need to see higher high for the euro. That combination is golden. If we're starting to lose strength, I'm gonna sell gold. We already took $200 off our trade. I will probably do it again. Yeah, I think gold can come down again. I do agree. I do agree. Might hedge us a little bit here at the moment. That could be a good idea as well. We have an alert set, so we can do we can look from there. We can maybe put a short into place as well. But it depends on the dollar a little bit. Depends on the timing. It depends on the New York Stock Exchange as well. Yes, we might be able to do this indeed. New York Stock Exchange opens in like 30 minutes or 25 minutes, so we might be seeing this happening here. We might be placing a lot. You know what? Should I just for the first time on stream do that? I think that could be a good incentive here to show you guys what we can do. We might be doing this if we close below the zone. Am I gonna place a short? While we're longing as well, because it makes sense. We came back towards this low. I'll show you what I mean. It's all about position building right now. It's all about having your first entry, crushing that entry. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So might place a short here. And then putting my stop loss above that high. Taking it down again. Let's place a some sort of market order if we close below this level. $0.24 lots. So the 50% of my long. You understand why I do that? Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do for the first time on stream right now. I'm gonna place a short. Closure has been done. Quantity, is this 48? No, that's not possible. I think it's a 10, it's a 10-ish. $0.48, no, it's not possible. Let me check something real quick, guys. Give me one moment. Let me see how this looks. Hope I don't get stopped in. There we go. Order. Quantity, yes. Okay, now it's working correctly. Okay. Okay, I was a little bit confused. I wanted to test something out with our position building. It's new for me as well. I work with a new broker here. So I'm testing something out right now. Okay, I want to see if gold can come down right now during the New York Stock Exchange open while I am still going to be in my long position. I already took out $200 from my position. So it's more or less like a, yeah, I will show you exactly what I mean. So we closed around $200 already. We are now up $465 here. If we are going to come down, we're going to come back down to our entry. So if I'm going to place a short, which is 50% of my long, and my short will come down, I will still make money. I will probably hold my short. And I'm going to take $200 off of my position for my long. So we're equal long and short at the moment then. Long is already in the exact same profit. We took out $400. If we come down, then it's pretty straightforward. We will continue to open our short because most likely we're going to see a continuation. We're going to see a flip happening. If we go up, it doesn't matter because that means that we would still make more money because of the fact that we already took out $400, which is already double of the initial position. That's why we open a 50% position of our initial long to actually conform that as well. And we're gonna just do it both. We're gonna just short and long at the same time while making money and then hedge ourselves against any risk. This is usually what we do with a lot of money. It's normal to do this with a lot of money. With like smaller positions like this is actually not really that common. But it can work very well. So what you do, it doesn't matter. You secure yourself regardless. If you open now 50% short against your long, if you go up more, you will make more because your long is still on. And if you go down, then you still make money because you're in your short right here. So if you're getting rejected right now at the moment, then this is the moment to place a position right here and do it. And you just place your order above that previous high or above this area of supply right here. The dollar right now is okay. The yen is actually coming up, so avoid the yen for now. The dollar is now in that zone. Okay, and the dollar needs to break these highs as well here. All right, interesting. Okay, yeah. We might be seeing a flip right now, guys. So might be looking to short right now as well. It's starting to look weaker at the moment. Dollar is looking stronger. Avoid the dollar at the moment. The dollar is pushing to that area of supply. I think we can make that one more. I think we can make a final push up for gold. I think it's still possible. But we're starting to look weaker. We're starting to come down here. Let's see how we close this 5-minute candle. And I think that's the best possible explanation here. If we close the body below that initial structure. We saw this rejection of this range. A pushback is realistic here. New York Stock Exchange is opening in 13 minutes or 15 minutes. Lorenzo, are you going to the gym? Yeah, I started recently going to the gym again. Open this trade? Not yet, not yet. We need to see, I want to see a closure below this level. I'm gonna go short on gold. Keep my long open for now. You will see what I do in a second. Yeah, this seems like we're gonna move down here. It seems like we have this new area of supply we created here. Getting pushed down already by that zone. Yeah. Yeah, I might enter here. I might enter right now. Okay. Okay, I'm in a long and I'm in a short. Okay. I'm going to take $200 out of this position. I'm going to close 50% of this position right now. 24. Boom. We took $400 out of our trade. So we made $400 on our position. We are now in a long and we are in a short. If we come up and we get hit here, we lose $120. We would still be up $350 or $400 again. $350 again. Above the 400 that we took out. And if we come down, we can close our initial long on break even. And we are in a short profit. And we can see from there. So we are now in both a long and a short. Would you take the short if you didn't already have the long? Yeah. That's what I'm doing now for the first, like actually showing for the first time on stream. It does not matter what happens now. If we get stopped out on break on our short, we are still in our long and we make more money. We already took out $400 as well. If we come down, we will have our short position open. We will close our long on break even and we let it run because we might be flipping during the New York Stock Exchange. So there is no downside. There is no downside anymore. That's what we're gonna do. Gold just filling highest for 50-minute very again. Will go down right now. I see it's not looking that strong, and I think it's waiting for the New York Stock Exchange to open. We can still go up. Don't get me wrong. Because if we go up, it's fine. We will be $350 in profit. We would have $400 taken out. We would lose $120. And we continue our journey. Because we're starting to build some liquidity to the upside, but at the same time, every area of supply is getting rejected right now. The price action is looking clean. Dollar is pushing up. Okay? The fact that the dollar is doing that, yeah, it could give a delayed reaction on gold here. A delayed response here on gold. Bro, look at the dollar. Yes, we look at the dollar indeed. I saw that. Dollar could come up, take out the London highs and then dump. We can, let me check what the dollar can do. I'm curious about the dollar right now because the dollar has been moving up right now at the moment. I do believe that initial move was a very good reaction of coming down. But we are definitely not there yet. We're going to face a lot of resistance around this level. We are definitely not there yet. I do have to agree with you. We can definitely come back down still. London high is already taken out. So that's not the thing here. Potentially coming down. Who knows? We have to wait for the next 10 minutes and we will find out from there. So far, gold is indeed coming down. From this moment. Yeah, now it's coming down. Okay. So you see at the moment that my long profits are disappearing. And my short profits are going up. There we go. Came down directly. From our entry right here. We saw that rejection already at the point right there. But at the same time, we're coming into an area of demand very, very soon. So it's kind of like you were in a long and you're in a short right here. I hope it makes sense. Hope you understand why. It's good. Like that's kind of the trick. Okay, you look for a first winner where you take some profits out. And then you hedge the pullback. So regardless of what's happening here. Coming down right now a little bit as well. Is there any reason why GJ is falling so hard today? The yen is going up tremendously. Oh no, we closed $360. Is it late for an entry on sell? I think at this particular moment, I think we can come down a little bit more. I think we could flip here. Otherwise, I would not hedge myself against my position. That's the reason why. So, yeah, I hope it makes sense. Are you an ICT trader? I'm not really 100%. I have found my own way. But I use a lot of ICT principles, yes, for sure. Of course, it's amazing. But yeah, kind of get my own touch to it. Yeah, coming down. What are you guys doing right now? What are you guys in? Are you guys in a short or in a long or both? What are you guys doing? Short. Okay, short. Okay, most of you guys are short. It's a good. I think it's a good short here. You can actually literally put yourself already in a. Yeah, after this low is broken, I would wait a little bit longer. I think this is the low that you need to break. But yeah, manage your risk accordingly here because you are reaching the New York Stock Exchange open. So be aware. Let's remove Fibonacci here. Let's remove a lot of noise here right now. Short 2 and already closed long full. Okay. Okay, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see how the New York Stock Exchange opens and how gold responds to it. Because we had that massive expansion. Now we're pulling back. We could see the continuation. Who knows? But if you are in a short right now, just manage your risk accordingly. You know, take some profits quick in my opinion, and then actually just manage your trade well. You know, take some profits, put your stop loss and break even when you think it's time. And I think due to the fact that the New York Stock Exchange opens in 10 minutes, my suggestion is to put your stop loss on break even just before it opens. Okay, we're coming down so far. So if you guys are, most of you guys are in a short, congrats. Congrats, you should be in profit. And it's coming down ever since, so that's great to see. That's really great. Going to start sell, we already sold. We bought and we sold at the same time. Okay, in my opinion right now, you can put your stop loss on break even. Okay, put your stop loss on break even right here. Let's go. I don't see any reason for gold to come back up for now. So just take some profits, put your stop loss on break even, and sit it out for the New York Open. The New York Stock Exchange Open right here. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink. Yes. Thirsty, guys, thirsty. Six minutes till the open, then 30 minutes till news. Both very important right now for gold. Very important for gold here. Keep in mind, tomorrow is the... Is it tomorrow? Oh, no, Thursday we have the... that's Thursday, never mind. Thursday is the GDP. Thursday is the GDP right there. Okay. So again, take your profits a little bit. Secure yourself. There's no need to come back down in my opinion, or come back up here at the moment. I'll be right back. Okay, all right. So, profits, profit, profit. Are you, if you guys are in profit, then Let's smash that like button right here. Let's go. Let's help us out here. I help you guys out. You guys help me out. We help the channel grow like that. We have a giveaway at 500 likes, so let's go. I'm gonna stream for a while. We're streaming for like an hour right now. We're gonna stream for a couple more hours today. As always, gonna be ready for you guys to help you guys out. We're focusing on a little bit more on gold today. Okay. Show you for the first time ever also a new way of trading. Well, actually just an entry here for me. Going into a long and a short and constantly taking profits out of the market. And hedging ourselves against any risk. Okay? It's actually the best feeling in the world when trading this particular way. Because you make some money already. We took out $360. Now we are up, whatever, 200 and something like that. It will always be 200, but now we secure ourselves during times of, for example, the open. Let's say the New York Stock Exchange opens up and we're suddenly continuing its momentum to the upside. It kind of doesn't matter, okay? We maybe lose again $120 on our $360 profit. That's one thing. And the other thing is, if we come down, we can close our long on break even and we are still up $200 and we can continue our journey to the downside. And then from there, we will find out what we're going to do. And we're constantly trying to bridge the gap from there. For you guys, if you just entered a short position, it's very simple. You simply just like take some profits right now. You secure yourself because there is no need for it to come back up in my opinion. Or if it goes up, you can maybe re-enter if you want to. But keep in mind with the New York Stock Exchange opening in like 1 minute from now, we might see some expansion here coming into play right there. So that's why, in my opinion, the best thing to do right now is take some profits off the table, sit it out, and wait to see what happens. GVC interest, my man. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome to the stream. Camus G, welcome to the stream. Amazing that you guys are all here. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to join me on my journey as a trader. Trading live, that's usually what I only do right now. I'm trading live a lot. Because why? If I just trade, why not doing it with the whole fam? Okay, we're coming down. That's good for you guys. That's amazing. That's good news. Fantastic. Let's see what's going to happen here. We are coming now into an area of support, kind of. We're going to reach an area of demand here. So you guys should have your stop loss on break even. Okay. I just want to make sure that you guys are doing that and taking some profits as well. But we can come down all the way. It's definitely possible here. Okay. We at the open right now. That's it. So far, I do like Black Bull Markets. I do like it. One now was also very, very good. When I trade MetaTrader, it's BlueBerryMarkets is different, but they do not support TradingView. Okay, we're coming up. Secure yourself. What do you use to calculate lot size? Well, actually, in TradingView, you can just place a limit order and you can put in the risk. So if you want to take 1% risk, boom, it automatically calculates your lot size, 4 lots, blah, blah, right? Based on your risk. And on the amount you have in your wallet or in your balance. Okay, let's go. Coming down, let's go. Let's drop. I hope it will come down for you guys. That will be the ideal case. Because then we called the short perfectly. But yeah, just take some profits. Why not? I don't want you to be, coming back to your entry and being left with nothing. So just take some profits. Because we are in an area of demand now. Blueberry market with direct account is nice. Almost no spreads. I agree. It's very, very good. It's very, very nice. Coming down. Coming down. I know that many of you guys are in shorts. Yes. Fantastic. That's great to hear. Okay, really nice. Beautiful break here. That's absolutely amazing. That's absolutely amazing. My profit is not moving, but the reason why I do this, you will see later why I do this, okay? Because I want to catch the reversal here, potentially. That's what I'm looking for. So yeah. Coming down beautifully, amazing. Amazing, amazing. When we close this candle, I'm gonna close my long. In 12 seconds. And then I put my short on break even. One, zero. Okay. Last push to fill out the imbalance. Yeah. Boom. Done. Okay. Short is gonna go break even. Done. Okay. So we went long. We made our money. We made around $500 on our long. We are now coming back down and we have put our short position on break even. So now many of you guys right now are in short or are gold shorts from there as well. So we're in the same boat. We are in the same boat here. Okay? Hedging ourselves against any risk. If we would go short and we were in a long, and we would go short and we would go up, no problem. Because we are still in a long, and that long would cover our initial short. If it comes down, you close your long and you put your stop loss on break even. But it's important for your short to be completely secured. Not a little bit, no, completely here. We have now this zone right there. Re-enter short. For now, I would say be patient here. There we go. That's that area of supply I was talking about. That's exactly what I mean. Look at that reaction. Coming into that level, tapping into our zone. Our entry is there. That was the moment why I, at that moment, closed my long. That was the exact moment. Okay, we pulled back. Now I had the confirmation. That was the moment. Now we can secure ourselves. Now we're going to go to the moon. Okay, so let's come down. Let's see where we can put our position here. We don't have a particular, exit yet. At the moment. We're gonna come back to that 3-minute zone very soon here. So TP1 was around about this level. Okay, for you guys. I didn't take profits here. I had to close my long, but for you guys, TP1 should have been around here. TP2 will be around here in my opinion, guys. TP2 will be around here. $1984.3. My suggestion to you, it's up to you. You decide. And then leave the rest running. That's my suggestion to you. Leave the rest running. Why does it say long gold in current trade? We were long and short at the same time at some point. So TP is around this zone. TP1 was around here. I leave this up to you, right? I'm just suggesting potential exits for you guys. But it's all up to you. If you are happy with the profits and you want to close your position in full, close your position in full. It's completely up to you. My goal is to give you an entry, secure yourself and break even. After that, you decide what you want to do. Livido says, I'm out right there, happy with the 5%. That's great, fantastic. You're out 5%, boom. And we use this one for that. And our gold song, by the way. Where's your gold song? Our favorite, our very, like, popular song right now. Probably has been played a lot more because of our stream. Gold. 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 No, shit, no. No, put the song out. Sorry, guys. You see, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. I'm telling you. Dangerous stuff, that song. Very powerful. Very powerful. You saw what happened, right? That went very quick, very fast. Thank you, bro, for the strategy. I'm doing good with it. Yes, long and short. You should work with it. You guys, in my opinion, should test it out. I think you should work with it. Trust me. Get your first long position or short position. Get that in. Look at a range. See if it's possible to see that rejection. Hedge yourself. And practice with it. You will learn. You will improve. And this is what the big guys are doing. Actually, with multiple positions all the time. Because they understand how to hedge themselves against any risk. So it's about the most risky part is like the first couple of trades. After that, once the profits are generated, they keep piling their positions up here. And then you look at the timing in the market. Okay, the New York Stock Exchange is opening. Okay, maybe we're gonna reverse here. News coming in 20 minutes indeed. We have some news coming. Yeah, okay, dollar is coming up strong. So it's not that the dollar is kind of like pulling back here. Dollar is coming up very, very strong at the moment. So yeah, no, dollar is coming up strong. Gold still getting pushed down here. TP2 is coming. Beautiful 5% on gold done for today. Reached my limit. Amazing. Congrats. Amazing, amazing. Happy. You still play chess? Yes. I like hedge trades in crypto. Haven't figured out with my brokers yet in Forex. Okay. Crypto is also indeed very good to hedge yourself. I agree. At your TP2, I have a strong support. That's correct. That's why we have our TP2 there. We're coming up now. I have a $5,000 challenge. How much can I risk per trade? 0.5% at the beginning. Strong area of supply there. Strong rejection point from this level. Strong rejection point. Look at that. Let's see how we close this candle here. If you close like that, 7 seconds. Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closure. Boom. 1 minute, 50-minute candle closure. There you go. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, good for sales. We're going to look at it in a second here. We're going to look at it in a second here. Guys, how many likes do we have? 291. We're getting there. 200 likes more. We have 700 people watching. We have 300 likes. If we can get it to 500, we're going to do our giveaway. That could be in no time. Trojan, fire. My show me says EU. EU depending on the dollar right now. The dollar is coming up very, very strong at the moment. We're gonna face some serious resistance right now. At this particular moment. We have been overextended right now. Really, so I want to see the dollar. I'm very curious to what the dollar will bring right now from this moment. If you're gonna start breaking lows, you have to be very careful with gold as well. Gold will probably move up a little bit. So let's see what's going on. What's going on at the moment. I would take some profits right now. I would take some profits right now if you haven't done it yet. Just to be sure, because it's starting to push a little bit. It's starting to you know what I mean. It's kind of that feeling where we're actually preparing for that new break here. You should have the perfect entry though. Like the perfect entry. Like your a better entry is not I think it was the perfect entry, to be honest, because you saw, why did we enter there? Well, look at that. We came down, we broke below it, and we saw that this area of supply was holding here. You see that? It's like minor price action, but you see that we're starting to create a lot of resistance here. So we came back up and you saw in that 1 minute zone how it was reacting from that area of supply, and then it came down. That was for me the entry. You guys saw me entering there? That was the trigger. So you saw that the price action was very stable. At the same time, what are we doing right now? We're building some liquidity to the upside here. That's why I'm saying take some profits here. Dollar needs to break this low. If the dollar breaks this low, we're gonna flip. Potentially later, we have news coming in 15 minutes. So look at, have a close eye at AU, EU, GU. Let's see what the next low is. We have the next low. Okay, we have a zone right there. 30 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. This is the high that broke the low. This is EU. That's one. Let's look for one more. Let's put yes, trading dollar against US dollar or GU. Let me see what GU is doing right now. I'm gonna go to the 30 minute chart. 15 minute right there. Yeah, we're starting to come close as well towards this level. Breaking that high is important. It could flip from there. EU is looking much stronger in my opinion right now at the moment. So that combination of the dollar here. That combination with the dollar being there. EU being there. Let me pick EU right now on the on Black Bull. Where is it? There we go. 30-minute chart. Gold is still there. Okay, gold is still there. Fantastic. Euro US dollar. Tapping into that zone. Coming down. We have that 1-minute zone here. What do we need to do? We need to break this high. And we need to break that high. That's the combination of the dollar and the Euro US dollar. Negative correlation. That's what we want to see. We want to see this break. Looking potentially for longs here. With the news. Here. Gold. Almost to TP2. But if you already take some profits, you might want to hold it already. It's up to you. This is just kind of like a baseline. Do not take this completely. Yeah. The way you... it's up to you here. My goal is to secure yourself. To get you in an entry and to secure yourself. To secure you, pretty much. That's my goal. That's my goal. I'm out on a gold short. Good. Fantastic. Yeah, we might see it flipping a little bit. If you break this low for the dollar, we might close our gold position as well here. And we look for longs for the USD. Because we have the news coming in 10 minutes, we might be flipping. Again. I'm gonna take 50% already now. It's a minor position, but yeah, we took already some out. Let me see how this candle closes. We have our 10-minute candle closing in 1 minute. And then our 50-minute candle in 11 minutes, so... Okay, let's see how this candle closes right now. This minute is quite important. I might be able to take some profits very, very soon again. And just keep stacking our profits from our initial long position to our short position right now. And it doesn't look like much profit because it's like, it's not that much profit, but you know, based on the long that we already had, it's really adding on to your position, you know? It is really adding on here. Okay, we're almost there. We're coming down still. Interesting. News is coming in 10 minutes, so definitely take profits there. Initial entry is pretty decent though. It's pretty good, but I feel that we can come up anytime here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take more profits right now. Doesn't look like much, but it really adds up. I've closed partially some profits here again. $160, $210, $378, $490 plus 33, $520. Put your stop loss right now. No, keep your stop loss and break even there. And take some profits along the way. And that's it for now. Don't move your stop loss, in my opinion. It's not necessary. So our initial position, yeah, 500, 520. And let's see how far we can take that position now with our short, but we might be flipping soon again with the news coming in like 8 minutes from now. So yeah, take some profits, leave it running, and we look for a new position with the dollar and the Euro US dollar. Crypto Mama, my man. Great to have you here on stream as well. Yo, Lorenzo, can trend lines Fibonacci and SNR be applied to SMC trading? Yes. I do this all the time. I do this all the time, all the time, all the time. Potential trade for the EUR/USD. If we break this low and if we break this high. As another trade right there. Again, guys, I'm not here to give you all the perfect exits here, okay? My goal is to get you in a position and to secure you when trading. That's my goal right there, okay? You decide for the rest how you want to manage your trade, how you want to exit, how you want to take your profits, how you want to, enjoy life. That's up to you. Glazer, thank you so much. We're going to use this for the giveaway later today. Thank you for your continuous support. Amazing to have you in our beautiful community. Amazing. Thank you, Glazer, everyone. Please thank her. She's attributing to the giveaway for today. Do you serve Lorenzo? Yeah, well, I served a lot. Every single day, almost for a year and a half. A full year, at least. And since like the last 6 months, I have been actually, I don't know. I have been too busy with trading and with the community and everything like that. So, less surfing for me now at the moment. Dollar coming down, euros coming up. Keep a close eye on this one. I was negative numbers for the week. Now I'm back in the game. Thanks. Amazing. Shout out to you. That's absolutely amazing. Great to hear. Where's my button? There we go. Nix is surfing the charts. Exactly. We're surfing the waves here. Okay, news coming in 5 minutes. Hope you guys are ready. We took some profits on our short already as well. We took some profits on our long, on our short. Look at EUR/USD now. If the dollar decides to turn and flip, because the price is negative or the news is negative here, might be looking for a flip here, but it can go in either direction. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. Come back down towards the zone. This is a weak low though. We have not broken any highs. So yeah, interesting. Interesting where we're at right now with gold. He says, I just doubled my account. Brother, does supply and demand zones and demand flips? Yeah, it can happen all the time. Yeah. Yeah, breaker blocks, that could be one of them. When you break the highs and then immediately the lows, and then it becomes an error of supply. It happens all the time. Let's put a nice song. Where's that song? That old song that we had. Three more minutes till the news. Yeah, it's either like it's either gonna be dollar going up and our position on gold will be bigger, or the dollar coming down and we take a euro US dollar trade. So it's either one of those. Let's go. One more minute. Be aware. Put your stop loss on break even and take some profits here just to be sure. Okay? You don't want to get stopped out here. Let's say there comes a massive expansion. I'm not saying it will happen, but you just want to be sure right now with gold. Don't. You're quite far ahead now. If your entry is at 1990 around, you have a very good entry. But you still should put your stop loss on break even regardless. 1 minute to go. 1 minute and a half. Okay, let's go. 1 more minute. Gold coming down. TP2 almost hit there. There we go. TP2 is hit right now. Now you're going to be in demand. Take some profits off the table right now. News is coming. This is the moment to really take some profits right now. You made your money. Congrats. You are in a perfect position. Perfect position. So now it's the time to really take some profits. Why? You're in a crucial support. You got some news coming. A lot of things are coming together right now. Take some profits right now. News is coming right now. Negative, positive. Okay. Quite equal here. Dollar coming down. Euro coming up. Are we going to break and close below? That's the question here. Gold coming up. Tapping into that zone here. Okay. That's why. This was TP2. Perfect TP2 right there. We might be pulling up right now for gold. Okay. We might be pushing here. Gonna be patient. Euro, dollar is coming down. Euro is not there yet completely. Wait for that closure. We need to wait a couple minutes regardless. I'm not gonna force any trades right now. I want to wait and you know, I don't want to flip for no reason. Or like come down and then immediately come up again because of the volatility here. Dollar is dropping. Euro has not broken the high yet, so be patient here. Gold is coming up right now. So this was the perfect TP2 here. Okay, close. Did you guys did TP2? Let me know in the chat. Did you guys took some profits there? Already beforehand, let me know. I need some updates. Closed in full, okay. Okay. Also good. Why not? I mean, yeah, you made your money. So congrats, amazing. The dollar. If the dollar really comes down, I'm gonna close gold completely as well. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute, yeah, like 3 minute candle close to be closed in 1 minute. If we close below, we're probably, I will probably be closing gold completely. That last amount of money here. And then we continue with the Euro US dollar. GU is also interesting because we tapped into a beautiful zone. We came down already from a 30-minute area of yeah, pretty much the lows here. The 79%. Okay. My favorite zone. So I like this a lot here. GU is also on my, it's definitely on my radar right now. But GU is getting suppressed. Euro also. I mean, the dollar is not there yet. So I'm not there yet. I'm not convinced yet. Okay, gold is already moving. Yeah, okay. Let's just sit it out right now with gold. Now, TP2 was the perfect place. The idea is that you keep like 20% open if you wanted to hold your position. 20, 30%, 70% closed. Do you like this broker? I used it once and had to wait 3 weeks before my money was withdrawn. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it so far. I mean, I need more time to test it out. I will not give you an honest opinion here. Give me some more time. What about AU? Okay, I like Euro. I like the Euro the most for now. For now, at the moment. Yeah, patience wins here. Gold is still in that area of supply. It's incredible. It's still holding there. So, in my opinion, the best thing that you can do right now is just to put your stop loss just above it. That's it. That means if you are still in though, with like 20%. But that's it. Most likely we're gonna go and we're gonna take this out and we can look at a new trade here for EURUSD. Were you using a Wanda? I was. I like a Wanda a lot. However, they changed servers, so now TradingView doesn't work anymore. Was a big problem for the streams. It stopped during the stream. Nice, 100 likes to go. We have a $50 giveaway, and then at 700 another $50 giveaway. We're gonna do this every stream. All right, come down. Gold is still underneath. I can't believe it. It's a strong zone, man. Still trying to push down here. Let's see. Also, the dollar is still holding stronger than I initially thought here. So wait a little bit longer. Don't force anything. We have enough time here to see what we can do with the dollar. Let me quickly look at the yen real quick as well right now at the moment. What the yen is doing at the moment here. Is the yen coming down? Yes! Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we came back into that range. Yen is coming down now. Let's zoom out. 4 hour, 2 hour chart. There we go. Our favorite candle, guys. You guys know it. It's my favorite candle. Right there. Reversed hammer. Or shooting star, whatever it is. Boom. Japanese yen in an area of supply. Boom. Breaking lows after breaking highs. Boom. That's a beautiful zone. That's a beautiful structure. Break. That means that. Quickly. GJ. Wow. Euro Japanese yen. Better. Much better. Much, much, much better. Tap into that range. 5 minute. Yep, that zone right there. Much better. Look at that zone. Confirm the candle with you guys. Right here, the indecisive candle. Right there, tapping into that zone once. Coming again. Again, tapping into that range right there. Look at the 1 minute. We have this structure right here. Okay, let's see how we react from that level. It's a beautiful zone. That's one zone right there. I'm just saying. We have created a massive expansion here. We have this zone already in this whole range. It is right there. But it's gonna has to do with the yen right now. First. So let's pull up this one. Euro yen. The yen basket. 2-hour rejection. Our beautiful candle structure. Rejection right there. On the 1 minute, creating a higher high than a lower low. Massive expansion. That's a reversal sign right here. Coming into that zone. Supply. Seeing this zone overall. Seeing how we react from any of these levels with this as a break right there. And this is a break right there, obviously. So possibilities over possibilities here. I actually think that the yen is way cleaner right now than the dollar. In my opinion. Yeah, obviously. Gold is still underneath that area of supply. I actually like it. I actually like it more than GJ, for example. Okay, let's see. The Japanese yen. And the euro against the yen. Let's see what the possibilities are here. Yeah, I quickly want to look at one more time then at GJ. Okay, one more time. Maybe I was a little bit too quick with my analysis here. No. Well, yeah. If we break this low or this high, 30-minute zone, we tapped into this area of the month. Yeah, okay, 5 minute higher high here. Closure above this high. This is possible. A potential long setup from there, going for this this liquidity that's built up there. There's a lot of liquidity built up there. It means that you entered there, you target the highs, coming back to these lows of this particular range right here. It's kind of like this range, okay? So it's like this is like one range, and then you break below it, and then you come down. That's kind of like your final TP. If we break the highs here, it is actually very nice. It shows a lot of potential. I'm definitely going to put an alert here. EJ is more of an SMC kind of related setup, because it's aligning very well. Yeah, I might take a small trade here. Small risk. On EJ. Yeah, the thing is with gold right now, like the dollar is coming up. So this is definitely not working at the moment. The euro possibilities here, because it keeps going up right now. It keeps building. So this should be actually good for us with our gold setup. But yeah, let's see. We're trying to really push it. It does not really matter. We have been taking out already a lot of money out of the market here. But yeah, it is interesting. It is interesting, and euro against the Japanese yen is also very, very interesting right now. Let's be honest. Somewhat here. Stop loss underneath that low. A small trade. A small trade here. You don't need to risk that much because of the possibilities here. Oh, wait a second. Is it different? Kind of different. We're in it right now. Huh? Okay. Let's see how we close this candle. Euro against the yen. It's looking quite decent to me, actually. Because it's aligning very well with the yen at the moment. We're in that rejection zone. very, very minor risk. I'm not going to risk a lot here. Let's wait for one more kind of like indecisive candle closure. One green candle closure. And that's it. Otherwise, we do not enter. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to enter. The yen is getting rejected though. The yen is coming down. Or it's like it's getting rejected at that point here. What about GJ? GJ is also coming down here. Okay, we broke a new low. All right, I don't think it's gonna be a trade here with the yen. For now. When we reach that area of the month here with for example EJ, we're not gonna enter until we see at least some sort of indecisive bullish structure or a beautiful candle closure, which I like to see here. I rather enter slightly later before making a move here. It can just prevent you a lot of unnecessary losses. Okay. What is gold doing? Man, gold is still coming down here. Euro X making new low. Okay, yeah, but also the GJ is doing the exact same thing here. So yeah, at some point we keep a close eye on the yen because at some point I feel like we're gonna reverse. And that could be now, that could be later. I mean, we're gonna at some point reverse here, and we're gonna benefit for you know, on all this momentum to the downside right there. But yeah. It's all optional for now. EJ stop losses are at 146.946. It should clear out that first before making a move up, if it moves up. Yeah, let's see what the yen will do here. GJ, yeah, also same thing. Let's be patient. Don't rush it. It's no need to rush into trades, in my opinion. It's the biggest killer. It is really, truly the biggest killer. Rushing into trades. It's kind of like they can exactly read you. They're waiting. They're waiting. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Glacia's in. Oh, yeah. Reverse. That's how it goes. Can you do a quick analysis on the euro instead of Australian dollar, please? I'm currently in a sell. I have no idea why it's still going up. It's exhausted. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Euro Australian dollar. Let's have a look. So yeah, the Australian dollar. So let me see here what's going on. Euro Australian dollar massive expansion. Australian dollar is looking weak. Okay, look at that. No doubt, no doubt. Euro is coming down right now. But the Australian dollar is absolutely, you know, getting wrecked at the moment again. Okay, so we're kind of seeing both not being super strong in my opinion. So at this moment, I think we're gonna pull back a little bit. Because the euro is losing strength now as well. Let me zoom out on the daily. The weekly even. 3-day. Came down, we tapped into this range. Daily. Gold is still coming down. Yeah, I'm looking for this right zone. I want to see where we get rejected from which candle it is. It's right now there. Look at that candle. What kind of candle is this, guys? What kind of candle? That's the one. That's the one. Okay, 5 minutes. Tapped into that zone. Took out the last high. Building a tremendous amount of liquidity right now to the downside. If we break this low, might be interesting indeed. But it's not the perfect one. And the reason why is because both of these indices are coming down. Currency indices right here. So it's not my ideal. The better the contrast, the bigger the contrast, the better it is. But it is the moment for the Euro Australian dollar. It's a great moment to look for positioning here. If you break the lows. I do like it. I do like it a lot. Let's put an alert here. If you are in shorts right now and it's going up, yeah. Depending where you're short from. So let me know where you're short from, then we can talk about it later. Gold coming back to TP2, again in that area of the month. Hi man, what did you say of EURUSD? Grace says, yeah, the only thing with the EURUSD is if the dollar decides to turn around and break structure to the downside and the euro broke structure to the upside. That was the only way when we enter a trade. Which didn't happen. It came up, it tapped into these highs, but it didn't break it. So yeah, that's pretty much the strategy we implement. Yeah, let's do a quiz again, guys. Who's ready for a quiz this weekend or this weekend? Thursday. Thursday or Friday? We can also do Friday. Let's see. Let's see. Need to think about it. Either crypto or Forex on a Friday. I need to think about it. For now, it's Forex as priority. Dollar still moving. Dollar still moving. Euro Australian dollar is now actually tanking here. Is the euro actually really coming down at that much? Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, Euro Australian dollar is tanking really. Is the euro actually coming really tanking at the moment? Yes, it is. It is. Why the dollar is going up tremendously right now. We're coming close to some serious levels though. Australian dollar. Yeah, it's both not looking strong. Yeah, okay. You wanna break that high? Yeah, if you break this high, we'll definitely look for euro Australian dollar shorts here. So we have an alert set there. For now, I wanna wait. I wanna wait a little bit. I mean, I like it. I think we could come down right now, but I wanna wait. And first of all, we need to see a 5-minute candle closure underneath the zone, regardless. Yeah, we need to see that. We need to see that zone. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close gold. I'm gonna close gold completely here. I'm done. Boom. Gold is completely closed. We took out around $600 in total from our long and short. So we're out on gold here. I'm happy with the profits here. I don't like it ranging too long here right now. Yeah, I mean we're ranging. No need. We're bouncing from this error of demand. Then we're getting rejected by that error of supply here. Yeah, no, for me it's fine. Okay, we're coming down here. We have a candle closure in like 2 minutes. 5-minute candle closure here. If the Australian dollar decides to break, we're gonna see major entry. I see more potential entering the euro against the Australian dollar. Until that moment, I see things both coming down here. I don't think that's enough for me to make a decision here. Guys, by the way, we have 8,644 people. We're gonna go to the 9,000 members in our community. If you want to be part of a beautiful community with our weekly analysis here, trading servers we're gonna launch again. We're gonna have a lot more open events for everyone. Plus, we have a V2 section which is closing the 1st of May. If you want to apply your spot, get your spot right now. You have only 5 days left or so to get in because we launched the V3. This is all including live trading, private live streams, more setups, and also, besides that, beautiful events, backtesting events, everything that you need to know in order to become a better trader. Yeah, gold is closed. It's just that gold right now, I think that, you know, when you see that ranging all the time, I mean, yeah, like at some point, I think we're gonna, I just think we're gonna make that move up here. We're building so much liquidity to the upside right now that at some point we're gonna reverse, we're gonna flip, we're gonna take it out. And if you come down more, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. I like this. I like this initial exit. I think it's fine. Euro Australian dollar, yeah, let's see if we can close actually below it. 4 seconds. Does it seem like we're gonna close below it? No, we didn't. We didn't close below it for now. I'm gonna keep observing it. We have an alert set for the Australian dollar there. Pretty straightforward. I don't want to force any position right now, especially not when both indices are coming down. What else do we have? What else do we have? What else do we have in the candy store today, guys? More trades. Okay, yes. Maybe there is the Japanese yen potential. Is the yen breaking? Yes, the yen is actually getting rejected there. It's just the reason why euro Japanese yen came down because the euro was so weak that, yeah, that was the main reason. So gold long and short 600. We are close. Okay, this is one win. I count this trade as one win. Okay. There we go. I mean, I like GJ from there potentially. I think there is some potential here. Three-minute zone, 3-minute candle. 4 minutes. Aha, got you. Okay. We have the zone right there. We tap into the zone. Boom. Point of control. Of course, you guys know it. Point of control is one of our favorite indicators right there. Boom. Tapped into it as perfectly as possible right there. Now let's break the high, and now let's put our entry there and our stop loss below the low. And let's then take over the game by actually exiting up there. Okay. GJ potential. Next one. Next up. If the yen decides to get rejected here and come down. Which I think is highly likely. Because I think that the dollar is a little bit overextended at the moment. For now. Gold is still coming down here. GJ. Yeah, let me put on GJ. Oh. Same thing. A little bit different. A little bit different structure. A little bit different structure, but yeah, okay. Same reaction from the point of control there. So clean. So perfect. Great reaction. Let's break this high. That's our idea right now. Let's break this high first. Entry then potentially here above that high when it's closed. Stop loss then underneath that low. Target. This is important. That high right there. A little bit higher. A little bit lower. It could be possible here with GJ. We are in a premium area of supply here. Okay, if you go in and we zoom out on the 30 minute. We are now in the 79%. A little bit lower, 88% already. Okay. 5 minute. Closure above. Entry from there. So full attention longs above. Top 20. Boom, boom, boom. $20 likes, still the first giveaway, $50, and at 700 we do it again. We're gonna be streaming still. We're streaming for how long right now? Let me see. Let me confirm. 2 hours. Okay, beautiful. Time is always flying. I don't even like it feels like 30 minutes. Really, really crazy here. Dollar keeps mooning. This is the reason why I think the yen has a possibility of coming down. It follows kind of the dollar at the moment. Negative correlation with gold. Positive with the yen. So I see potential in GJ here. The dollar also, keep in mind that it's not just the yen. If the dollar comes down, usually it benefits the euro and the British pound as well. How do you use the point of control? You use it with a tool called the fixed range volume profile. I use it for, like, first of all, it's actually quite interesting because it works super well. And it's like, you see this candle? This is like the candles that I'm looking for. Right? These type of candle structures. And if the point of control falls within that body, within that wick, I use then this particular candle as a tool of reference. As the right area of the month. You draw it, you pick pretty much the tool on the left, you use it, fixed range volume profile, you look it from the left to the right, from a range to the range, you extend it. And it shows you a red line. That red line is the point of control, is the area where the most volume has been traded in this range, in this area of consolidation. Consolidation expansion retracement continuation. 88% Fibonacci. Tapping into that zone perfectly. If you then break the high, I'm gonna go long. And then the beneficial confluence is then the dollar breaking the lows, coming down, the yen following here, also coming down. The fact that the dollar is coming down is benefiting the British pound, which benefits GJ. If then the yen drops, it will be even better, obviously. Until that moment, we are still in an area of supply. We're still looking for kind of like a continuation here. But we could break out of that zone. And then we have potential longs above that level right there. Until that moment, we're still kind of indeed in that zone right here where we, yeah, pretty much like, you know, are holding now. That's why we need to break it. In what higher time frame did you took the supply zone in the Japanese yen basket? 2-hour chart? 2 hour. The 2-hour area of supply here. Patience wins, guys. Patience wins with GJ right now. Why? We're building a tremendous amount of fantastic liquidity now to the upside. Okay. It's only a good thing. People are still shorting there. At the same time, let's wait for the breakout. Right? Let's wait for the breakout here. Let's see how we react one more time here. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. We don't take a trade. It's pretty simple. We only take, we're actually following the market a little bit better, right? Instead of forcing something against something else, right? Would love to see GJ coming up and breaking that high. The dollar needs to also come down a little bit. Further, that would be ideal. The ideal case scenario here. The yen is now making moves again. Still going for it. Still going very, very strong. Another high right there. Another rejection right there. It's about waiting for the breakout, waiting for the change of character. That's what you need. That's the only thing that we need right here. Otherwise, we wait. If we create a new lower low, we move this one to this one. We look for a new bounce from an area of the month, and we wait for the same thing. At some point, we're gonna see that reversal. Why? Well, we already came up towards these levels right now. I think that we can make it to the equilibrium, maybe. Still. Which is almost there. It's pretty much at that next zone. So we are indeed not there yet. So that makes kind of sense. Which is right there. It's exactly underneath that level. So this is the 50. This is like the 50% Fibonacci. And this is where that zone is at. This is where we saw that massive rejection. So yeah, patience. GJ is going for the 1-hour support. If that's the case, yeah, that could be. We're trying to catch that lower point. Yeah, okay. If it's the 1-hour support, it's even better. It's even better because that's right under that zone, and that could align very well with the yen. So we're coming close, guys. We're coming close. Just be patient. But if you break it and the yen breaks the highs, in my opinion, it still will be definitely possible here. Waiting for lower low, for sure. It is almost... Oh wait, it's like... what time is it right now in the United States? 10:40, okay. Alright. Euro, okay, where did the euro bounce from? 30-minute zone, let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, euro, yeah, it's just euro, GJ, euro USD. One of those. Let's see here. Let's go. Very, very nice. Gold trade was good. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're looking for one more particular setup here. Either, you know, yeah, it's going to be a Forex pair. It's going to be a Forex trade. It's going to be either GJ or EURUSD. Preferably GJ. Because of the euro, you know, I want to see actually this low being taken out and then making it the upside. But the yen needs to really come down. So far, it's not doing anything here. It's actually holding very, very strong here. Looking very strong. But we're still holding above that point of control because it's a very strong zone. It's at range. And it's that accumulation period that we had there. And then we had the massive expansion. So it's kind of like a super strong zone. It's hard to break. It's hard to break when you see this for a very long time. Followed by a last candle. And then a massive expansion. So actually like this. If it then starts to come down like that, and it builds a lot of liquidity to the upside, and it comes down towards that zone, which is right here, you're gonna just have a lot of support there at that particular level right there. Okay, so that's why we are kind of like looking into something. Yeah, something similar. But I think that if the yen doesn't break, it doesn't break. Yeah, it's gonna break at some point. So there's no need to enter here until you break this high. Especially if you create a lower low. Otherwise, it's still the 5-minute time frame and you just still see that that initial rejection there. But yeah, that's just something to always take in consideration when you see that that coming back here. Even though it's on the lower time frame. Japanese yen needs to reverse. That's what we're waiting for. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Euro is coming up a little bit, and the dollar is coming down a little bit after that rejection point right there. It's good. It's a good beginning. What about GU? Yeah, GU 5-minute. We need to break that high there all the way. Okay. GU is performing better than the dollar right now, than the euro right now. Australian dollar was weaker. Anything else? Anything else? GU, US dollar, yen. Still coming down. Dollar, Canadian dollar. Not really. I think no. It's yeah. GU is also looking good. The reason why I like GU as well is because we have taken out the lows beforehand. It's kind of like okay, you break the lows, which is a good sign. First of all, and GJ is still holding there. It's waiting for the yen to the reverse right now. That's the only reason. And we are waiting for the yen to reverse as well. Okay, 500 likes. Yes, sir. We have our $50 giveaway. If we reach the 700, we do another $50 right there on the spot. What shall we do for the giveaway? Let me know in the chat. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? How should we do it? IG, yes, sir. Okay. Let's do IG. The first one is going to be IG. The second one, if we're reaching the 700, we're going to do differently here. First one is IG. What do you need to do? Like, put a like and a comment under my last video on Instagram. Links in the description. And follow me if you haven't followed me. Because we have an amazing team. Providing you with the best quality shorts. Funny. Alright, we're working on some new projects. We're trying to improve here. We just started with our Instagram a couple weeks ago. Not that long ago. Like 2 months ago. From zero. We have to start somewhere. I have my private Instagram as well. But, you know. You know how it goes, right? All these girls on my Instagram have no interest in seeing me trading. It's better. Create a new Instagram clean, fully focused on trading. Using my private Instagram for friends. But yeah, the problem is you guys are becoming my friends, so yeah. Mixed feelings. Okay. Go to my last video, place a like and comment under that video. Follow me if you haven't followed me. We'll pick a winner in 5 minutes. We're gonna do it quick. No time to waste here. Jan is still holding there. GJ is still holding there. That's interesting though. It's interesting that we're building some serious liquidity to the upside. I would not be surprised if we break it. At some point. Especially if the yen decides to come down here. But yeah, who knows? Who knows? Let's see. Well, let's wait for the break. Let's not conclude anything before it happened. Yes, cash. $50 cash. However, I need your crypto address because I have all my money in crypto now. How long have you been trading for? I've been trading since 2017, since 2020. After the borders closed here in Bali, I decided to go all in. After all that money printing, I couldn't resist anymore. I could not resist anymore. I was like, so much free money in the markets. Of course we need to start trading here. So yes, potential longs above. I'm still looking at this concept here. If the yen decides to show a little bit more weakness here, will be even better. Okay, dollar is doing his thing. Euro is trying to catch up. We have an alert set for the euro right there. So it's still gonna be either one of those. It's just the patience again right now. You guys made some money on gold. We're looking, for more setups than only one setup a stream. I prefer more setups a stream. But yeah, we need to be patient. We need to be patient for now. The majority of the volume is already coming out here. 8,657 members. Incredible. What kind of car is that? Is that a Lambo? No. A concept Lambo or what? Very, very nice. Gonna buy a Ferrari 812 super fast. 800 horsepower. 2.4 seconds. 60 miles an hour. But not in Bali, obviously, not in Bali. You have to respect the culture here. Okay, that's why I walk barefooted. Sometimes. Or barefooted, sorry. Okay, let's do the giveaway right now. No time to waste. No time to waste here. Let's do our giveaway right now. Make sure you only place one comment, okay? Not 2 or 3 or 4. Just 1 is enough. Keep it fair and squared for the fam. DJ making lower low. Okay, well, let's see that. Let's see in a second here what we're gonna do with that. We have this one right here. Which one do we pick? We have our favorite tool. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Always works. Well, most of the time. Okay, click, scan. Let's go. No time to waste. Again, make sure you only place one comment. Super important. Otherwise, yeah. No giveaway. $143. Let's go. I need to work on these on the timing here. Anyways, the winner is I think it's Oskan. Oskan Alkan. Oskan Alkan, my man. Send me a message privately. I need your crypto address, by the way, man. I need a crypto address, okay? Yeah, amazing. Thank you. Congrats. Next giveaway is at 700 likes. If you can reach this today, 150 likes. Oskan Alkan. Shout out to you, man. Okay, GJ breaking lows. Is that the case here? GJ, Japanese yen coming down? Ah, no. We are still above that point of control. We are still there. We're building a lot of liquidity right now to the upside. All right, I see this as liquidity to the upside. If we break that high here, boom, we're going to go long. We're going to put our stop loss underneath that area. Okay. We want to see the yen breaking that low. It's already coming down. That combination. Japanese yen breaking the low. GJ coming up. Dollar. Let's go. Dollar needs to come down a little bit as well. We want to see the dollar making a move as well a little bit. It will be the best case scenario. Because then it will benefit the British pound. If the yen then comes down, contrast is bigger. Better expansion. Bigger chance of a breakout. Okay. You guys are nice. You guys are very, very nice. Congratulating winners here. You know. Amazing. Amazing. Fantastic. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. GJ. Making moves here. The yen. Making moves here. We're onto something. We are onto something here. Yes, we have something. We have something beautiful here. Okay. We're gonna get a new drink. Yeah. There we are. We're building something. We have something here. Look at GJ. I have a good feeling about this one. Yeah. Second trade. Let's win this one and then I can go. That would be the best case scenario here. But yeah, the yen needs to break the low. That's number one. The dollar needs to, yeah, okay, the dollar is also making moves here. That's why it's not expanding that much. Let me zoom out for the dollar real quick. Dollar has been coming up pretty much all stream. 15. So we're in that zone. We initially got rejected at that zone. We're still kind of getting rejected at that zone here. You see this high? If we are coming down here, fantastic. That's what we need. Then the yen needs to break the low. That will push the British pound. Yeah, extra here, and that will definitely benefit us for our trade setup. But right now I feel like we're consolidating, we're building liquidity here, boom. At some point we need to break out here. If you come down, then it's just not the case. Bro, I am very frustrated because I saw today early in the morning that sell in GJ and I couldn't enter because of that trade. I was already in 2 trades. I'm very down because of that. Yeah, help a brother out, guys. Help a brother out. New day, new stream, new trades, my man. New trades. Don't worry about it. Looking for new trades all the time. What's the refreshment of today? Yeah, we have a green special. It's my secret trading drink. How else do you think I can do these streams right here with you guys every single time? What's the catch? You might think. What's the catch? Yeah. That's a secret. That's a secret. The yen has to come down here, has to break the low, waiting for a lower low. Once this is done, the dollar needs to follow up with us. So GJ can come up, break the high, we go long. Nick says, see you tomorrow. Always nice to go to bed in positive. Let's go, my man. Shout out to Nick, man. Yeah, Lorenzo, man, there's equal lows below GJ. I would prefer a break structure in and down. I would normally say yes. Me too. I would definitely prefer this as well. But I do know that this is the point of control. And this is kind of like an exemption if it doesn't happen. But it could definitely happen. We could still come down. We're not there yet. Any way, shape, or form. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. We have a couple of things that need to be in our favor. Okay? The yen need to break the low. That's number 1. So we are now holding here. The dollar needs to help us a little bit as well. But the dollar is still underneath that zone. Yeah, same for GU. GJ is way better. Looking way cleaner. Way better. Well, he says the giveaway. Yes, we did a giveaway already. At 700 likes, we do another one. We do it again. Any other setup you guys are looking at, let me know right now, because GJ is on our, you know, it's our setup. We can wait for GJ to play out, or we can also do some analysis here a little bit and look for some other setups in the meantime. Euro Australian, Euro, yeah, Euro Australian dollar. Euro is still weak indeed, but the Australian dollar is weak too. Look at that, it's still coming down. But probably Euro Australian dollar is coming down more. Let's see what's happening with the euro. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happening with the Euro Australian dollar. Yeah, okay, it is coming down more. It has been breaking below that and actually closing below. I'm not a big fan. And the reason why is because of the Australian dollar. If the Australian dollar was strong, and if we broke highs, and if the contrast between the dollar and the euro, the Australian dollar and the euro was big, I would say yes, let's go. But if both the euro and the Australian dollar are coming down, I'm like, I don't know which one is gonna flip earlier. And also, if you look at the other tool, and this is a little bit more market structure right there, but if you simply zoom out a little bit, we have created a higher high. All right, so higher, so low, higher high, higher low, higher high, potential higher low. Right, so it's kind of like moi. That combination is not my favorite. If the Australian dollar was breaking highs now, I would say okay. Let's do it. So, yeah, overall, Forex is still, we make most of our money in Forex. We're trying to look at the crypto right now as well. Starting to look better. And I see some guys, you know, you guys send me some private messages with results. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed so far. Absolutely. So yes, GJ, let's look at one more time here. Let's go. Let's go, yen. And let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's break that high. Let's just enter right there. Let's go all in. No, don't do that. Who took this beautiful gold trade with us today? It was like the cleanest entry. We came down straight away. For the people that went long. If you were long as well, even better. But I don't think many guys went long. Isn't crypto like super manipulative? Is Forex not super manipulative? Winter says crypto is going to take over. Yeah, I'm prepping you guys. That's my goal with it. I'm just prepping you guys. Of course, we're gonna do Forex right now, 4 days a week. And crypto 1 day a week, 1 or 2 days a week. But I'm prepping you guys for something bigger. If I would not see the potential in the future, I would not do it. Dark Banana, man. How are you doing today? Like that's the thing. I don't want to say your name. But yeah, I want to be respectful. I'm doing well, my friend. I'm doing well. In the UK, we can't lose leverage with crypto, so I'm out. Depends which exchange you use. If you use Binance, yes. Binance removed it. Same for the Netherlands as well. Lorenzo, when will you update the other educational videos in the V2 series? We're adding a bunch of other ones right now. So we have the V2 events that are important. And when the V3 launches, we will add a complete new course to it as well. A complete new educational system. So yeah, no, we have a lot more coming. So if you want to get your spot, this is the moment. Get your V2 spot right now. 1st of May, we're closing. Then I'm going to move to my new villa. And then mid-May, we're going to launch the V3 with more information coming soon. So if you're in the V2, you're in the V3 automatically. Is the Japanese yen coming down? Yeah, well, it is getting weaker and weaker now a little bit. It's starting to show a little bit more weakness, which is good. But it's not there yet. It needs to break that low. You see that this is kind of like the zone that we need to break. So this is like an area of demand. Oh. That area of demand we kind of need to break right now. That's going to benefit us for sure. And you see GJ coming out. It's breaking. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Hi bro, okay, please look at the Euro Japanese yen. Yes, okay, let's look at the Euro against the yen as well. Let's do that. Okay, we broke below that level. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame first. The 30-minute time frame is like my favorite. It's kind of like my favorite time frame. I use all the time frames, by the way. But I noticed that the 30-minute is just like the perfect foundation. It's like the perfect hybrid strategy, the hybrid time frame in regards to, you know, scalping, day trading, intraday trading. Okay, bouncing from this demand. It's actually very similar. Yet I think that GJ is still a little bit, yeah, it's better. It's just better. It's just better. The way it's like we're building that liquidity there. The way we're bouncing from this point of control. It seems very legit. We know that the euro is not strong today. Not really particularly strong at the moment. GJ is coming down. That's a good first sign here. Sorry, the yen is coming down. We need to close below. We're getting somewhere. That's good news. That's good news. That's good. The yen, GJ needs to break above this high. Because that's the last high they put in the low. This low or this high didn't put in that low. It's kind of like, you know, that high is the high we're looking for. The 5-minute. Getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Let's break it. Let's break it. Quinten, my man, thank you so much for our next giveaway in at the end of the stream. We're gonna reach the 700 likes. Thank you, man. We will add it to the next giveaway. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, brother. By the way, every donation we give back. I actually have not calculated how much we already have given back in giveaways, but I think it's a lot if you calculate it all. But this includes also the donations you guys do as well. So that benefits us a little bit. So thank you, I really appreciate it. You don't have to, of course, but you know, no need. But it's a nice gesture. Okay, the yen is breaking below. GJ is coming up. GJ is coming up. Euro Japanese yen is also. Yeah, it's also coming up right now. We're also creating that liquidity there and so on and so on. But I think that GJ is looking better. Why? Because first of all, we have this beautiful imbalance here. At the 30-minute, we have that massive expansion here. The massive gap. And the Euro Japanese yen has like all of these zones here. You see all these particular levels right there. Right there. You know what I mean? So GJ is just, in my opinion, looking way cleaner. If we break above this high, I'm happy. If we break and close above. For him. Enter now or waiting? I would wait. I would wait right now. Yo, Lorenzo, I made a demo account and I started with 3K last week on Monday. It's now at 10.4K. Should I start with real money now? I mean, you know, there is a massive difference in regards to demo trading and with real life money trading. Emotions come into play here. So yes, in my opinion, you should start right now with some real money trading. You don't have to trade with a lot of money, but start gathering the data, you know, fill up your journal and so on and so on. Okay, we're coming up, guys. We're coming up. It's getting serious. The yen is breaking below. The dollar is coming down. That's what's benefiting us the most. GJ has been building liquidity. We have that beautiful fair value gap there. We want to fill up that gap. That's why we prefer this over the euro against the yen. Point of control was a beautiful break. Almost closing, 30 seconds here. Yes. The yen has been breaking lows finally. This took a while, by the way, guys. Understand, we have been... it took a while. It took a while, okay? Next zone, right there. More and more and more confirmation. We're not there yet. Walid says, what's the giveaway? The giveaway is cash. Just cash. Crypto cash, okay? USDT. Recess. GJ on 4-hour time frame. Check that. Tomorrow stay long. Yeah, so let me go back. Yeah. We are in that zone. We are in that zone. Even 1 hour. So we also have the higher time frame with us. We have an area of demand here. Yeah, we're breaking. We are breaking. Closure in 3 minutes, 25 seconds. We are reaching the last hour, the final hour of the London session. 45 minutes to go. Could that be a turnaround here? Could that indicate a flip here? Let me zoom out a little bit more, by the way. Let me check this Sunday open real quick. Somewhere down here. Yeah, right there. Okay. Coming, yeah, okay. No, I like it. I start to like it right now. GJ is looking good. Coming up. Dollar needs to break below. Help us a little bit here, dollar. Let's go. And we will have our position there soon. What is the Sunday open for? To understand how the market moves after the market opens. So you have a clear understanding of the goal of the chart, let's say. And then usually we see like kind of reversals happening during the midweek, especially if we expanded very well or very hard during the first 2-3 days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday. And then tends to happen like a reversal day on a Wednesday or a Thursday. Back to the Sunday open. Or it comes down and it then breaks on a Wednesday above the Sunday open again. And then it continues on a Thursday, Friday. Kind of like, it's kind of your perfect way of measuring the open of the market. And the trajectory of the week. What broker are we using right now at BlueBerryMarkets? I have not tested them out too much though. I don't know too much about it yet. We're getting there. We're breaking. We're breaking. We're breaking. Coming closer. 1 minute to go. $40 seconds. The yen. Yes, sir. Dollar. Dollar could be better. Dollar could be a little bit better. Could be breaking the low here. It's like optional. It's like secondary help though. If the yen keeps dropping, it's fine. And the yen is definitely coming down. 8 seconds. Boom. Done. Limit set. Very gap right there. Want to go to that zone. Want to target that area. I want to retest that high at least one more time here. Come down a little bit. Get triggered. Maybe even if come down a little bit. Whatever. Make it that mover. Saves me a lot of money. A lot of headache. These limit orders. Want to see the dollar dropping. Want to see the yen. Continuous journey here. The 5-minute zone was already taken out here fantastically. Most important high to be taken out. This is an extra zone where we can look at as well. How much lots you're using? 1.37 lots, 0.4% risk on a $100,000 account. We started with 100K. Almost at 634 likes already. Wow. Okay, we're in. We're gonna do our second giveaway very, very soon, guys. Let's do it very, very soon already. How are the taxes for trading in Bali? Yeah, pretty decent. I have an international structure. Let's put it this way. International structure. How to participate in a giveaway. Giveaway starting yeah, soon. 60 more likes. Let's do it. Let's do it. The volume is a little bit less here, so let's just be patient right now. Stop loss is underneath that low. We can come down a little bit if we want to and then continue its momentum up, but we can also come up here from there and just start stagnating. There's just not that much volume at the moment. And it's gonna be less in the end. What is the TP? Fair value gap first. In this zone somewhere first, securing yourselves after that straight away. Yeah, and if we come down, we execute our drawdown strategy where we sell our position partially in drawdown. Risk less than we initially risk, but that you will see if that happens. You will see how we do that. Multiple ways to look at it. Our second trade of the stream. We're not backing up here. We're not, you know. We're not forcing though, as well. I'm looking at all the setups. I'm looking at all the alignments. So, you know, every trade that we take here is not, this is not forced. This is just the yen breaking lows. GJ holding in the point of control, bouncing from that range, 4-hour area of demand. Yen breaking a low here. Now kind of retesting that zone a little bit. In an area of supply. Combination, dollar starting to lose a little bit of strength, coming down, which will be beneficial for the British pound. If we break that low, we'll be even better. And liquidity building, for value gap building on the upside of GJ. Looking at the continuation here. If we decide to come down, I will close my position 50%. And I'll wait for a couple more minutes to see how we develop on the lower time frame. In order for me to close my position 50%, take a minor loss and close my risk immediately with 50%. And then when it breaks, I'll add on to my position again. So it's kind of like you stack my position from there. That's on the Nasdaq. We'll have a look at it in a second here. Okay, this is the right moment to close 50%. Not much, it's like $20, something like that. Boom. Because why do I do that? Well, most of our positions that are like winning are going straight away. The gold trade that we had, when we entered, entry here came down straight away. Most of our profitable trades are come down straight away. There is no need to come down and draw down because this is how the strategy is built. So if it comes down, we sell a little bit. We can then reduce our risk. And if it now decides to come up and it breaks the high again, we will add on again. That's the strategy. We're up $600 today, or in this session. So hopefully we can, well, we definitely will end up in profit. It's just like more or less, we're going to try to keep managing each individual trade flawlessly. Also when in drawdown, not only in profit, also in drawdown. How many trades did you take today? Yeah, like three trades. Well, a long on gold, a short on gold, and a long on GJ now. So Okay. What else do we have? Nasdaq. Not gonna take another trade right now, but I can do a look or an analysis for you right now at the moment. Okay, let's see how the VIX responds here. Reacts from this initial zone. Equity was built up there. Broken out, breaking this high. Retesting that level. Nasdaq probably come down a little bit. A tiny bit. There we go. We have this resistance right here. Wow, this is looking good, man. This is actually ready to break below and come down right now. The VIX aligns as well. The VIX broke a high, came back down, retesting. We're now kind of like holding here. US30 made a massive reversal here, came down all the way. Now Nasdaq is looking like it wants to come down, but you want to still break at the low, and I need to see if there is still enough risk to reward for you or possibility here to zoom out. Well, there is definitely, yeah. Possibility here, unless you want to wait for a pullback. But I see it breaking lows and the VIX coming up a little bit. Yeah, I like it. I kind of like it. Okay, keep a close eye on this and drawdown now. Let's see what we can do. Keep in mind we have this zone still. Could see this happening here, but yeah, we can better add on a little bit later, a little bit here again. And then usually we don't really do that. We wait for a high to be broken. Okay, any pullback is closing position again, 50%. Any pullback. Let's put it there. 30 likes, and then we have our last giveaway, the $50 giveaway right here. Okay. We're almost there, we're almost there. What's the giveaway already done? We're doing 2 giveaways right here. So we have a $50 giveaway at 500 and $50 giveaway at 700 likes. So we're almost at 700 likes. Almost at 700. Keep in mind that the yen can get rejected there. We have created that lower low, so we're not there yet. We're not there yet. We have 2 more zones there. A pullback is possible. I'm not that worried about it. Unless we decide to create a higher high, of course. Then it's done. So waiting for pullback, we can close a little bit more, and you will see. We will track everything, guys. You will see all the history of my closed P&L. So, for example, $23 P&L closed to reduce my risk from $400 stop loss to $200 stop loss. That's a massive difference if you look at it from that perspective. Taking out $20 to reduce your risk with $200. Hope that makes sense. That's how we build our risk management when it goes into our direction straight away, where is our strategy built on. We don't touch it, obviously. -23, 70, 33, 119, 210, and 157. 300, 400, 500. Yeah. We're gonna close positive today. Okay, we're coming now towards that zone. It's now very important that we hold here. 3-minute zone. And the yen needs to get rejected there. SMC entry was better. Yeah, sometimes not. This time it could be. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. You guys have seen it on stream. Let's see how the aim reacts at 7,053. I've learned you're going to find a balance between price action and SMC can depend fully on one. Well, the problem with that is, if you constantly switch all the time with your entries like that, then you will have not the right data. So I know that this is a winning strategy. I know this is a 70% win rate strategy over the long term. If I keep doing that, if I keep doing the same thing. What is the daily drawdown compared to overall drawdown? Daily drawdown is now... What is daily drawdown compared to overall drawdown? Daily drawdown is what you are in a drawdown in a specific day. That specific trading day. The overall drawdown is your overall loss of your balance. Okay, we're in that first zone. DJ is down. Let's see how I react. Is the Australian dollar still strong? Still going down? We can have a look at it. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. It's starting to consolidate a little bit more. It's not looking strong though. It's not breaking any particular higher highs or structures like that. Euro is actually recovering, so that's why the Euro Australian dollar was not the trade that we were interested in. Also, we bounced from this area of the month. Yeah, Australian dollar is still relatively weak at the moment. Sadly, I have to go to the AC tomorrow. See you, my man. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I really enjoyed it. Made some good money today. Good vibes, good vibes. 9 more likes to the giveaway. We're almost there, we're almost there. Okay. I'm gonna have a question for you this time. For this giveaway, I'm gonna have a question for you. Okay? Very important question. So be prepared to refresh your stream. Make sure it is, you know, it's synchronized so you can answer quick. The first one to answer wins the $50. Okay, let's do it now. Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Okay. All right. The question is as follows. What was my short entry of gold? At what price was my short entry of gold? Right now, first. Who's first? We got the answer. We get the answer. Okay. And the good price was... Let me go to the gold chart real quick. A lot of entries, a lot of questions, Let's see. Let's see who would answer it first. My entry was 1990.81. 1990.81. 1990.8 is good. Who said this first? Let me go. Let me scroll through the screen. Oh, sorry for that one. There we go. Let's see, what is first 90? I'm willing to move it to 91. Yeah, because nobody exactly knew it here. 9081.81, no. Okay. Who was the first? Let me see one more time. The closest to it, at least. Because nobody gets it correctly from the beginning. Yeah, okay. Yeah, for sure. Alright, Tariq, my man. 1990.85. That's the closest somebody got for sure. And nobody else guessed it correctly exact. So yeah, 1990.85 is the correct answer. Congratulations, friend. Shout out to you, my man. Shout out to you. 1990.82. No, that was was too late. Too late already. This was when I said it. Send me my message. Yeah, send me a message, brother. We're gonna make it happen. Okay. We're coming down. Okay, I think I need to change the question here next time. All right. Japanese yen is going up. Okay, we're gonna come up here with that last high. We might be closing this trade soon. We're gonna see how we react in this zone. We're not there yet. We are in that area of the month right now. If we're gonna bounce up, we can minimize our risk, and we're gonna end up with around $500 in profit. That's the goal here. The yen would have been nice if you could break this low, continue your journey to the downside. Dollar is moving up. GJ was, in my opinion, I liked this trade. I liked it. For me, it had the confluence, the 5-minute higher high. Very gap. Yen broke the low. Bouncing from an area of the month on the higher time frame. Point of control on the lower time frame. Yeah. But you see that I rarely, unless it happens quick, I rarely, lose my initial risk. And that's how we make most of our money. You keep your losses small and your wins bigger. It's that simple. Well, it seems simple. But it's like the management of being in drawdown is equally important as being in a profit. Three hours, 25 minutes. Okay, we're gonna close the stream very soon, guys. We are currently bouncing from this level. Let's see if we can manage it correctly still a little bit. Because we will. We will. We're gonna look at all the trades we've taken. And how we can benefit from our... how we can minimize this risk right now of this trade. So we have our actual drawdown. And this is what we're gonna do on stream right now. Every stream. We're gonna look at our total profit. Or loss of the stream. So let's see how we can manage this one. If there is some potential, yes. If we break this high, I close my trade regardless. Completely. So there's no need for me to hold them. So I want to just calculate some stuff here, and that's it. And maybe if we come up, we are good. We can minimize our loss. End up with a nice $500 win. What do I search on TradingView to get the Australian dollar index up? AXY. AXY is what we're looking for. Hold or not? So far, well, you can hold it for now, in my opinion. At this particular moment. We are not there yet. We're still above this area of the month. We are still above this this zone here. So I think it's we can for sure rebound. I'm not maybe holding this position right now completely. But I will definitely wait for a closure around the zone maybe. Because we're now bouncing from this level. Can definitely minimize our risk. Let's go. Honestly, look like everything is follow the dollar today, except gold. Except gold. We took that gold long the moment the dollar came down a bit. That was good, and then it went up again. We took that short. So far, let's come up. Let's break at least the zone. Come back into these levels right there. A little bit of a pullback. And we can close our position a little bit more. And I think that's going to be it. Let's see how the yen is reacting. We still have this this high. It's on the 2-minute chart here. Right now we're in that zone. So let's say we're kind of like retracing of that low that we broke. So we're not there yet. We're not there yet. London closure is in 10 minutes. If you want to close, you can close it. It's up to you. But I personally, I want to wait a little bit longer. I want to see if we can actually, if we can stay underneath this level. If we're going to come up, I might close my position, end up the day in a nice profit, and that's it. But so far I'm waiting a little bit. Because I think we can massively minimize our risk. Still, I think there is still potential. Otherwise I would have already closed it. Arcash, my man, thank you so much. Hope you liked the stream. The yen is still underneath there. As long as it's underneath the zone, I'm staying in. Do you trade SMC or ICT? Sometimes completely, yes, 100%. Most of the time, I have my own hybrid strategy. With a has a 70% win rate usually. And the reason why I do that for you guys is actually also for you guys, and I then later started to really like it because we all like winning, and we all like winning more than losing. So yeah, and it's nice for you guys. I know that not every one of you guys can watch every single stream. Because if that was the case, if I knew 100% that every single one of you guys watch every single stream, then I would possibly trade only SMC. Lower win rate, higher risk to reward. But because some of you guys cannot always watch the stream, for me that's a reason to look for a higher win rate strategy. And I really started to like it after a lot of trades. So, because I know that if you cannot watch every stream, you want to win when you watch, you know, as much as possible. So yeah, that's the reason. Okay, I'm gonna count this right now as a loss for now. I'm gonna close the stream. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this position open for now. I count it as a loss for now. If something changes, I will come with some proof of this, of the results here. Overall, I guess we're around $500 up this stream. Hopefully tomorrow we are surpassing that $500 win today. And hopefully you guys can join the stream tomorrow as well. So we can win together. All right? That will be the ideal case scenario. On the other hand, I hope also that this YouTube thumbnail is actually legal. Because if it's not legal, I'll probably get a copyright strike or something like that. Or I have a problem. Or a strike in general. But that strategy is just too damn powerful. Okay? So if you're gonna watch tomorrow I would like to ask you one thing, okay? If you could like already this video for tomorrow, right now, you go there. It's already, you know, ready. Oh, I need to change it. Not 30, 35, 20 to 35 days. Anyways, you click on it. You go there. And you click on a like already. You help me already then go with our next stream. You have to grow already the channel right this as well. Apparently it works. So if you guys can help me out here. I hope this thumbnail is not getting deleted by YouTube. Anyways, we'll find out. We'll find out. Okay? Keep you guys updated. Anything that will happen, I will make a screenshot and I will share this screenshot of today's results. Alright, of the total profit or loss, whatever it is. It will always be a win today. In the description, and you know exactly what my overall result will be. Okay? In Discord, right there. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on stream. I really want to thank you guys all for the stream today. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys made some money. Your net profit at least. Okay? Tomorrow. We're gonna do the same thing, yeah. I hope you guys are ready for that. Where is my son? There we go. Fantastic. Okay. I'm gonna chill a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna manage this trade accordingly. I'm gonna make sure that I exit in a way I should exit here, minimizing my risk as much as possible. I'll keep you guys updated about the total result right there. Really enjoyed the stream. Thank you guys so much. I hope to see you guys tomorrow and help me out by actually looking at this particular thumbnail already. Press the like for tomorrow so we are all ready for tomorrow's stream as well. Crushing it there. And I hope to see you there. Because the guys that are committed will win. Regardless. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ciao, 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 ciao. Bye, bye.